In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the connection failed error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PS5. Now, if it has to do with the servers, you may just have to wait, but let's assume that the servers are okay. What you want to do is come to the home menu and go to settings in the top right corner. From here, we're going to go to network and we're going to go to settings and set up internet connection. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, what you want to do is press the start or options button on your controller under your Wi-Fi network, and we're going to forget the Wi-Fi network. Now, when you do this, you want to wait a few moments, and from here, we're going to select our Wi-Fi network again, and you want to go ahead and input your password. Now, once you've input your password, it's going to connect to the access point and connect to the internet, and after you've reconnected to the internet, what you want to do is try and launch Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So if you're getting that error, press the starter options button and we're going to close out of it fully. And when you restart the game, assuming it isn't the COD servers, it should work. So give this a shot. It's happened to me a number of times and each time this has fixed it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.